Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put out new Salesforce content each week. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Salesforce Business Analyst certification. I have started studying for this certification. My plan is to take the exam in June or July of 2023, and I have just recently started studying. Now, I have made a video in the past talking specifics about the new Salesforce Business Analyst certification, but today I wanted to kind of talk about what is my plan on how I'm going to study for this exam and a quick overlook of what the exam covers. So we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into this thing. So as many of you probably already know, the new Salesforce Business Analyst certification was created recently as of last year. The certification does have a prerequisite, which is the Salesforce Certified Admin, which I passed my admin certification in summer of 22. They also recommend that you have 2 years of experience working as a Salesforce admin. Here you can see here, the Salesforce Business Analyst credential is designed for individuals who have 2 years of business analyst experience, including demonstrated success owning and delivering business process improvements and 2 years of Salesforce platform experience. And you can look right here. This is what the exam is going to be covering. It's going to be 17% customer discovery, 24% collaboration with stakeholders, 16% business process mapping, 17% requirements, 18% user stories, and 8% user acceptance. Now, what is my plan to study for this certification? So I have really a two-pronged approach to this. The first one is using the trail mix that has been created on the Trailhead website. If you don't know, you can sign up for a Trailhead account for free, even without being an admin, and start taking courses on here. As you can see, that's total 13,500 points available if you do the entire trail mix, and this will walk you through getting prepped for the exam. And I've kind of started doing some of these, and some of them I've already have completed, especially the ones talking about user setup and just understanding the Salesforce environment. So this will be my number one tool for studying. Why? One, Salesforce recommends it. Two, it's a great way to get hands-on experience with the topics that are covered in the exam. They walk you through oftentimes with examples, and sometimes they're just Q&A type questions. Now that's my number one resource. My number two resource that I'm going to use in a lot as well is Focus on Force. If you've watched any of my other videos about certifications, I really highly recommend Focus on Force. The reason why is they have great information built out into PowerPoints. So like for the customer discovery, you can see they already have the 7 topics broken out within that section from Salesforce's own website, and there's PowerPoints built on each one. They have a knowledge check at the end of each section. That also, I purchased the practice exam module part of Focus on Force. Highly recommend it. It does a great job of getting you ready for the exam. They're timed. You can either set it up to where you can check your answer after each question, or simulate the exam and you take all the 60 questions and then you find out what your score is, and then you can review what you missed. What's great about their practice exams as well is if you miss one, there's a link to the PowerPoint where the answer is, so you can review it. My recommendation and what I've done for my other 2 certifications is I'll do a lot of the trail mix stuff, and then I'll start mixing in more and more Focus on Force. And then about halfway through, I'll mainly focus on Force, and then whatever I'm missing, I'll actually go back into my sandbox environment and play with it and try to figure it out. Now, this certification is a little bit different. It isn't all technicalities within the like platform. App Builder is all about objects, fields, and how to build the custom apps within there. And same for your admin certification. It's really just how understanding the org. This is more about customer discovery, collaborating with stakeholders, and understanding what the customer needs. So this is going to be a little bit of a different exam. So I have a feeling that I'll be just studying a lot more study material from these PowerPoints to help me prep from this exam. But that's really my two-pronged approach for studying for this. There's other great resources. Other people have some courses that you can purchase if you would like. I don't go that route. Focus on Force has really never let me down. And they already have, I think it's like 6 practice exams. And I really like the one where they randomize it as well. So that way you're kind of just getting random questions. So if you take the exam again, it's not the exact same questions every time. So I would highly recommend it. If you would like me to make update videos throughout my process, maybe halfway before I'm about to take my, or halfway before I take my exam, or then maybe a quick video before I take my exam. Let me know in the comments. Leave me a like. That's the best way to know you're enjoying any type of content. I kind of mix up my content to see what people are interested in, and I will be happy to kind of share my experience as I study for this and earn my 3rd Salesforce certification. But if you enjoyed this video, like I said, leave a like. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.